Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little behind the scenes of a test shoot that I did with aerial performer Alyssa. I've got some workshops coming up at Apollo's Playground, so I wanted to go in and meet Alyssa and work with her, work through a couple of different apparatus. So we did the Lyra or the hoop here, and we also did the trapeze, but we'll have other stuff at the workshop. The other thing that I wanted to work through was lighting. So it's a challenging space to work in as it has very limited natural light and very limited artificial light. So I had to bring stuff with me. What I thought would work was probably a little underpowered, so for the actual workshop we're going to beef it up a bit. But what I did have with me, and you can just see on camera right at the front, there is a Neewer CB300C. I also had on camera left a Neewer CB200C, and in the background I had the light one, so the TL60 and 90. So I probably need to bring a bit more light into it. The shadows are quite strong, but I've got to admit I don't actually hate them. They kind of leave this sort of dramatic vibe to the whole thing. So as you can see, most of the videos here are actually speeded up. I had this recorded just on my CJ Cam C400, and I just had that set up in the background recording everything we did. So occasionally I have sort of cut off her feet or her head or whatever. So I'm just going to leave you with a little bit more of Alyssa on her aerial apparatus, and I will put the link below. So if you're interested in joining me for the workshop, you sure can. It'll be at Apollo's Playground in Mitcham, which is in Victoria. The first one sold out, and there's still a little bit available for the second one in June. So that's it from me. I'll leave it here.